Oh my god, someone's dead. Brothers, at an intersection on a national highway. Several electric bikes are stopped, waiting for the red light. And in the accident about to happen, there is a protagonist among them. Why do I say that? Because there is another protagonist. He is on his way. While we're talking, the direction of traffic on the main road turned red, but there were still vehicles making a last dash. Then the other protagonist turned from the fast lane into the stream. Following that, the protagonist who had been waiting for the light also started to rush forward. But unexpectedly, he had only gone a little bit. A large truck billowing smoke suddenly appeared. Sweeping across, it took away the two protagonists. One was thrown to the side of the road, and the other was stuck under the vehicle. The scene was absolutely terrifying. The terror index reached 500 stars. With this devastating scene, the two protagonists are definitely not surviving. The one dragged under the truck might even be smashed into a meat patty. As for the young man thrown to the side of the road, let's not talk about it. His illegal riding was entirely self-directed. Let's talk about the one dragged under the truck. Although the accident was caused by the truck running a red light, he also made a fatal mistake. That is, he thought he could pass at any time when the light turned green. As a result, the truck taught him a harsh lesson. It's just that the price of this lesson was a bit high. He sacrificed his life. So, friends, you must take warning. Let the alarm bell be positive. Even if the light is green, you must confirm that it's safe. Then passing, a big black car is preparing to enter the parking lot. We can see that the barrier has been successfully recognized. The barrier raises normally and the black car enters normally. You'd think that with a normal scene like this, nothing would go wrong. But it just so happened that something did go wrong. Just as the big black car was about to completely pass the barrier, it suddenly stopped. It stopped for about 3.145926 seconds. Only after a small blue car came out from inside did it continue moving forward. But he went to this and then stopped again. As a result, the gate arm came straight down this time. It just happened to get stuck under the back of the big black car. The car's body is definitely going to lose some paint, hesitating in front of the gate arm. The way this car is driven really makes people lose their temper. So the question is, whose responsibility should it be in this situation? Please, experienced friends, comment and tell me. Thank you. A young man riding an electric scooter closely follows a large truck. And then he pats the truck's cargo bed with his hand. As a result, the scooter suddenly loses balance, and he falls to the ground. The dog are watching. I'm completely dumbfounded. Isn't this just unnecessary? But something even more confusing is yet to come. The young man picked up the bike, pushed it, and ran, then hopped on the electric bike. After that, 3 consecutive head turns to the left and right. You tell me, is this series of confusing moves by the young man mind-boggling? A delivery guy, for some unknown reason, got into an argument with a driver. In a moment of urgency, the driver actually swerved and knocked the delivery guy over. To be honest, the driver's action was too impulsive. It should have been a minor issue. You're making it easy for yourself to be guilty of dangerous driving. As a driver, how could you make such a low-level mistake? And he's not the only one making mistakes. There's also this grey car. The driver didn't plan the route in advance. He missed the exit, and then arbitrarily stopped on the highway. As a result, the black car behind it was rear-ended by a large truck. He was also badly scraped. This is a classic case of harming oneself and others. I hope those in the black car are all safe and sound. A misadvert. A small blue car and a small white car, driving one behind the other, driving. The blue car suddenly stopped. Seeing this, the white car behind it flashed its lights and had its horn to urge them on. But the blue car owner not only turned a blind eye, but instead got out of the car and walked away. Confused the owner of the white car. My dog was also immediately confused, until the blue car suddenly started moving by itself. That moment, I suddenly understood. It turned out the blue car was auto parked. Can you believe this? The owner was so calm, composed, and unhurriedly, pretending to be innocent towards the white car. The owner had no choice but to wait silently behind. Watching quietly, waited and watched for about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. The blue car successfully parked, and the white car also started to pass smoothly. At this moment, I don't know what the white car owner was thinking, but in this peaceful scene, I always feel an invisible voice, deafening. Fuck you.